Benefits of counseling when going through a divorce. Food for thought. If you were in a car accident and broke your arm, would you go see a physician to heal your broken arm? Of course you would. You don't have the skill sets to properly set your arm so it will heal properly and quickly. When going through divorce, it is like an accident. You will eventually heal, but maybe not properly or quickly. You need someone with specialized skill sets to help you heal properly and quickly. Kübler-Ross on death and dying. Kübler-Ross was a Swiss-American psychiatrist who focused on near-death studies. In 1969, she wrote the book entitled On Death and Dying. She is the foremost expert on the 5 stages of grieving. People grieve the loss of their marriage in the same predictable process and phases as grieving the death of a loved one. Divorce is the death of a relationship. In dealing with the loss of a relationship, a person will go through 5 predictable phases, namely 1. Denial and isolation. This is not happening to me. 2. Anger. How dare this happen to me? 3. Bargaining. Just let me get X and I won't care about Y. Or if this doesn't happen, I promise to fill in the blanks. 4. Depression. I can't bear to face going through this. It's horrible. 5. Acceptance. I'm ready. I don't want to struggle anymore. Life stressors. Divorce is considered one of the major stressors in life. Psychologists give divorce a value of 73 out of a possible 100. We have listed other life stressors and their associated stress numerical value in the table for your comparison and review. Life stress units. 1. Death of a spouse. Numerical value 100. Divorce 73. Marital separation 65. Jail term 63. Death of a close family member 63. Personal injury or illness 53. Marriage 50. Fired at work 47. Marital reconciliation 45. Retirement 45. The benefits of counseling. Counseling can be a significant help when going through a divorce or a family law matter. Counseling helps in 3 ways. 1. Dealing with the negative emotions of divorce. 2. Clarifying the thinking process. 3. Moving the individual towards positive thinking. Let us expand on those 3 concepts. Counseling helps deal with the negative facets of divorce. 1. Counselors encourage facing pain directly. 2. Counselors help families and individuals diffuse anxiety and cope with stress. Counselors can help families and/or individuals control violence and addiction associated with divorce. 2. Counseling helps clarifying thinking. Counselors can help to clarify your thinking in the divorce process. Counselors promote openness. Counselors can help families and/or individuals become more flexible in their thinking, better manage their emotions, and control behaviors. 3. Counseling helps move individuals towards a positive outlook of life. Counselors give families and/or individuals a safe, protected place to build family identity and power. Counselors help teach how to reconnect with others. Counselors help promote a renewed sense of honesty and creativity. The takeaways. The skill sets you need for getting through a divorce are different from anything you have experienced before. Even if you've previously gone through divorce, every divorce is unique. Getting into counseling is probably the best thing you can do for yourself. Let go of your ego. Attending up to 10 counseling sessions is one of the best things you can do for yourself. Counseling is a smart investment.
Was this video helpful for you? Please let us know by liking this video. And if you have any questions or suggestions for topics, leave us a comment. We also offer a variety of resources such as attorney referrals and legal checklists over at our website, utkdivorce.com. And last, subscribe. We provide new videos every week that you don't want to miss, and your subscription shows us your support. See you next time.